Welcome to KLE Academy of Higher Education and Research, Belgavi, Karnataka. In 1916, a dedicated group of patrons belonging to the Veerashaiva community, popularly known as Lingayats, embarked on a dream to create a strong educational base in the regions of Karnataka and Maharashtra. Over a century later, the KLE Society has set an unparalleled example in South India with over 275 institutions in the areas of healthcare delivery and education. KLE Academy of Higher Education and Research, deemed to be university, established on 13th April 2006, is one of the premier health science universities in the country, imparting high-quality health profession education up to postdoctoral level. The university has been accredited with A grade by NAAC second cycle in 2016. Kaher has been ranked as the third cleanest campus by MHRD and is committed to academic and research excellence. The campus has state-of-the-art facilities such as the Convention Center for conduct of conferences and symposia. To promote overall development, recreational stadiums and professional swimming pools as per international standards are present. Separate girls and boys hostels provide accommodation to international and national students on campus. The Central Library houses over 33,000 books on health sciences. KLE Institute of Physiotherapy, Belgavi, established in the year 1994, stands testimony to the high professional standards aimed for and achieved by the KLE Society, which was taken under the ambit of Kaher in the year 2009. The institute has been awarded Best College of India Award by Indian Association of Physiotherapists in 2016 and has over 10 memorandums of understanding at international and national level. The institute strives to impart holistic development of students by encouraging participation in sports, extracurricular activities, community services at orphanages, old age homes, special schools for children, and homes for the destitute. The institutional library houses over 10,000 books and 31 journals, along with 30 computers for educational purpose exclusively for physiotherapists. The institute also has a fitness center accommodated within the infrastructure. A striking example of passionate social endeavor is the KLE's Dr. Prabhakar Gore Hospital and Medical Research Center. The 2,460-bedded hospital houses free basic healthcare services for 1,200 beds as a mark of charity for the noble cause. Physiotherapy is a new era of medical science that has become integral to the modern-day existence and rehabilitative care across the globe. Along these lines is the Advanced Physiotherapy OPD with a total built-up area of 15,000 square feet. The institute offers 11 post-graduation specialties including oncology physiotherapy, orthopedic manual therapy, geriatric physiotherapy, OBG physiotherapy, and masters in biomechanics. The Advanced Outpatient Department houses 11 departments that follow an individualized assessment and treatment approach to an array of musculoskeletal, neurological, cardiopulmonary, pediatric, sports, gynecological, and oncology patients in the vast age group from neonates to geriatric population. The services are also rendered to the IPD, ICU, ITU, and ICCU patients. The department also has an artificial limb center and an occupational therapy department to cater to the needs of the patients. The biomechanical analysis Using the BTS gait analysis motion system and the wireless surface EMGs are used for assessment of human movement. Along with traditional physiotherapy and manual therapy, advanced modalities such as virtual reality, laser, cryocompression, isokinetics, shockwave, and matrix rhythm are regularly used. Hydrotherapy is a regular practice by certified practitioners for all age groups. The institute has designed India's first mobile physiotherapy clinic for domiciliary service.